Welcome back, children. I am Mrs. Reena Barid, your English teacher. Welcome back to the session of letter writing. Once again, we are with the examples of formal letter writing. Today I am going to deal with the letters, formal letters at the standard of classes 10th to 12th. Children, after your educational qualification, surely you will be in the need of a job, suitable job. So one of the examples of how to write a job resume with an application along with your CV, we are going to see here. So be very careful because it is going to be a very important part of your future life. So it is not of the level of classes 6th to 9th, but of the level of classes 6th to class 10th to 12th. Okay, we are going to see how to write a job application with a resume CV. Okay, look over here. It is a question written on the board. Write an application in reply to the following advertisement. Children, how do we write these such applications? See, we come across some advertisement in the newspapers. When we are in search of a suitable job, we have to search for the sources from where to find a suitable job, and the most important is the newspaper. The most common source is the newspaper, magazine, periodicals. Okay, so you have come across one of the advertisements of a job vacancy in one of the newspapers. So you have read it, you have gone through, and now you are applying for the same. How will you do it? Let us see and learn. An application in reply to the following advertisement. This is advertisement will be given in the question. Here starts your application. This is the question. Clear? Up till here is your question. See what advertisement was given in the newspaper few days before. Wanted. And who is wanted? An experienced proofreader. Who is a proofreader? Who makes corrections in the languages. If it is an English paper, an English proofreader will be required to make the necessary corrections in the language, so that there won't be corrections, means wrong mistakes won't reach the readers. Proofreader with good knowledge of English, and English proofreader is required over here. Contact, whom to contact, that is also given. The chief editor, the Rajasthan Patrika, Jaipur. Sometimes phone numbers are also given, but since we have to do this work in writing, here no phone number is required. Okay, so now let us proceed towards the process of writing the application. Children, be very sincere and alert because it is going to become an important part of your life after educational qualification is over. And you may write not only to the editor of the newspaper, you may write such type of vacancy application. You may applications for the vacancy, so at any post. Okay. See, first we will mention, since it is a formal letter, we are going to mention our own, that is the writer's or the sender's address with the date. So here I have written Old Railway Station Road. I am the writer. Imagine that I am applying for the same. So I am living at Old Station Road, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Clear? Again the date in full. I am writing today. So 1st June 2020. After the date we have to leave one line. And then whose address? The receivers in the formal letter. In informal letters we will not write this, but since it is a formal letter we have to write both the addresses, senders and then the receivers. The chief editor, it is given whom to contact. The chief editor, second line, name of the journal or the newspaper, the Rajasthan Patrika. Third line, the place, town, city or place, state. Then Jaipur, Rajasthan. Again after the second address, receiver's address, we have to leave a line. No need to put the date again here. After that, leaving one line, you have to mention the subject. Since it is a formal letter, we have to mention the subject also. Why we are writing this letter or application? An application for the post of a proofreader. Again, this question subject is mentioned in the question itself. An application for the post of a proofreader. Okay, we will begin with sir, or even you may write dear sir without a comma. Now body, what you have to write in the body, that is very, very important. Okay, so let me write 2-3 lines here, then I'll rub it out and mention here. Okay, how to begin? Dear sir. or sir. First we will mention that children understand first. Okay, make the concept very clear in your mind, then we will proceed towards writing. Directly if you go on writing without thinking or without understanding the question, you will definitely make a mistake. Okay, so imagine you have read this advertisement in one of the newspapers which come at your home or somewhere in the library. Okay, then in reply to that, you have to mention to the editor where you are working currently and what are your current circumstances, why you want to change your job. That question may arise in the employer's mind, since you are already working at a good post or at a good place, why you want to change your job. So that also we will mention here. Then our family problem, circumstances of changing the job, plus why do you want to serve this particular institute, okay, or this press, clear, and how will you serve there if you get the job. All these things you have to wind up in 4-5 lines in the body, in the matter. After that you are going to enclose your CV, curriculum vitae. So let us see this. Sir, okay, we will start with reference, giving reference. This is with reference. This is with reference to your advertisement. This is with reference to your advertisement in your newspaper. Newspaper on a certain date before few days, okay. Newspaper on say 20th May 2020. You may put a comma in the body. We are writing the matter, so we can put the comma here but not here. Okay, 2020 for what? Advertisement was related to the post, for the post of a proofreader. Children, as I have told you, no need to learn these sentences, the things by heart. Okay? If you don't want to be trapped in a difficult situation while writing these letters in the examination, make the concept very clear in your mind. The question should be very clear what you want to write. Second thing, try to frame your simple and small sentences. Let us change the language here now. See, this is with respect to above matter. You can write without this. With respect to above matter, with regard to above matter, with kind respect, okay. I wish to inform that it is in reference to your advertisement published in your newspaper on so and so date. Okay, for the post. For what post? For the post of a proofreader. Okay. Now you will mention here, where are you currently working? I am working. Okay, now I am rubbing the board over here. See, I am working with the Bhaskar. Maybe with the Bhaskar newspaper you are already working as a proofreader. Okay, I am already working with the Bhaskar. Now you will mention your family problems. Why you want, since you are already working with a very good newspaper, why you want to quit? Why you want to change your job? A question may arise. So you will mention the reason as my family is stationed. As my family is stationed in Jaipur. Where are you working? You are working in Udaipur. And you are writing to the Jaipur press. As my family is stationed in Jaipur, it is, comma, it is very difficult to do the job here or to serve here, to do the job here. Now also, to do the job here, why? To serve your old parents and to means how to support your family living in Udaipur. To do the job here and serve my old parents. Also, one more problem is there. It is very difficult to fulfill. It is also very difficult to fulfill my social responsibilities at the same time. Okay, both the problems are there. How to serve your old parents are old, how to serve them, plus your social responsibilities also you are not going to fulfill. Responsibilities simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. Clear? After that you have to mention, and therefore you have to change your job. Okay, you will mention now your work experience. I have no, you will mention there, so you are in a great need. Clear? So I am in great need of a job in Jaipur. Clear? This is the reason why you are in great need of a job in Jaipur, since you are already working with a very good paper in Udaipur. Clear? Now you mention about your work experience. I have 3, 4, 5, any 3 years work experience VMS, and also assure you means make you sure, and also assure you to fulfill my best, to serve my, or to, I also assure you to fulfill my best services if I get a chance. Clear? Problem is mentioned, why you are in great need, then your commitment to do the job better. Okay? Then after that, I am enclosing my CV. I am enclosing my CV. Why? For your kind perusal. Perusal means consideration, thought, deep thought. CV for your kind perusal. Perusal means for your careful consideration, careful thought. Clear? Now after this, you will mention here application is ended. What you will write? This is a formal letter, very formal, to the editor of a newspaper. What you will write here? Yours faithfully. Or you may even mention here thanking you here with thanks. Yours faithfully. Okay, your name. If it is given in the question, same name you have to mention, otherwise imaginary name or your original name. Shashank Gangwal I am writing here. Okay. No class, it is not an application. Then you will write here enclosed. What you have enclosed, you will mention here. Why you will write here enclosed? Sometimes this paper may get CV page may get lost in the post. So you have to mention here whatever you are enclosing along with the application. So enclosed CV. Now after this, I am going to tell you how to write the CV in my next lecture. Thank you.